Hello, I'm Dr. Nivedita Joshi, working as a physiotherapist in Deccan Medical Hospital. So today we are going to discuss about main topic, that is low back pain, neck pain and conditions related to the spinal column. So in general we are going through a general anatomy of spine, which is consist of 33 bones. Main part is it is consist of cervical column, then thoracic, lumbar, then sacrum and coccyx. So in spine, basically it is called as vertebral column, spinal column or backbone. So in low back pain and neck pain, there are main causes of this pain. In acute low back pain or in acute neck pain, there are main causes like a sudden movement, sudden twisting, heavy weight lifting, sudden lifting of any object. So it causes a sprain or strain. So in sprain, basically there is a overstretching of a muscle around the spinal column, and in sprain there is a overstretching of ligament around the spinal column. So this is the main causes of acute pain. In chronic pain, if you sit in one position for a longer time, so it creates a poor posture. So poor posture is a main cause of chronic low back pain or chronic neck pain. So in chronic pain, there are also many causes of low back pain or neck pain. Main causes like osteoarthritis of spine, that is a degeneration of spinal column. Then disc herniation, it is also a main cause of chronic low back pain. In osteoarthritic spine, there is a degeneration of vertebrae, or it leads to a degeneration of disc ultimately. So in degeneration of disc, there is a herniation of disc. So disc protrudes from the normal position. So it damages the nervous system also. Basically our spine gives a structural support and nervous system support also to the human body. So there are some nerves which emerges from the disc or the spine. So if this disc comes out of the normal position or it protrudes from the normal position, it compresses the nerve around it. So it compresses the nerves, so it starts paining in our upper extremity also, in lower extremity also. So there is a radiating pain also in neck condition and also in back condition. So these are the very common causes of low back pain, neck pain, and these are the very most common conditions in spinal column. So if you are suffering from this all conditions, don't ignore these symptoms. Please visit a doctor and please visit a physiotherapist.